Happy birthday, Tito Jay! Hatsui!
Happy birthday! Miss namin kayong buong family. Miss namin ang mga kids. But, happy birthday. Sorry, brother. Last time na visit mo dito, di ka namin nakasama. Pero sana sa susunod, magkasama-sama tayo, mag-reunion tayo. Pero we wish you all the best. Good job, bro. Galing mo. Husband and father to your kids. And happy birthday. We wish you all the best. May the Lord grant the desires of your heart. And, ayun. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Hello, Squad! Happy birthday from Sulu with love. Ayan, see you soon. How I wish I can celebrate this special day of yours today. But then, andito pa tayo. Ina-enjoy yung mga nalalabing araw ng aking leave. And I hope to see you soon. And visit you on your new office. Of course, since this is your special day, I wish you all the best this life could offer. I know we've been through a lot in our chosen profession. Looking back, almost 12 years ago, sabay tayong nangarap sa pinili nating profesyon. And na-experience natin ang saya, ang hirap, ang pagkatalo minsan, basta lahat ng kainaman, ika nga, dito sa ating chosen profession. But then again, through ups and downs, alam mo naman yan, that I will always be here for you, no matter what. And yun, alagaan mo yung pamilya mo, alagaan mo yung mga anak mo, and happy birthday. See you soon. God bless. Kwa, love you.
Walang malagal.
Happy birthday! Ilang taon ka na ba? 40?
Happy birthday, sir.
Oh, may babati daw sa'yo, special, oh.
Sir, aloha, happy birthday.
Happy birthday,
Happy
sir.
20th birthday, sir.
Yes, talaga. Happy nth birthday from Team IMAM, MC5. Balik ka na daw, hindi na kami galit.
Okay na.
Hi Chan, happy birthday! Surprise! So, ayun, miss you pre, wish you good health, no? May na kita rin magkikita. Hopefully, sunod na yung bakasyon, magkita kita. Together with Dokila and with your kids. Happy birthday and I love you pre. Always ingat, God bless. Happy birthday.
Pre, musta? Belated happy birthday and happy birthday day kay little girl, Jalesa. Happy birthday sa'yo. And good health always. More blessings to come. And always pray. And wag nang pasaway kay Kay ha. Ingat!
Hello Kuya, happy birthday. I hope you enjoy your day. And I always pray that you will have a long, happy, and peaceful life. You know, full of love, and live happy. Yeah, I'll see you soon, and and the kids. And I hope that you enjoy your day. It's belated, but happy birthday. Thank you for everything.
Hi Christian! Happy birthday! I wish you good health and peace of mind. May you have a wonderful post-birthday celebration with your family and with your friends.
Sana dere magkasakit, kuya dere magkasakit. Ate Kayla, Jalisa, ni Bamba.
Happy birthday,
Happy
Christian!
birthday, kuya.
Sana maupay ti mo permi lawas, ti mo nahuna, ti mo kasing-kasing. Ariglaray ti mo pamilya, hikela, ibambam, ijalisa, kay rek imo karituhan pagabutit panahon. Imo naman trabaho, kalma lang. Hinay, pakisama, ngan prinsipyo nimo tim ginabuhisun ka. Amula ang happy birthday.
Okay. We had always been proud of you, siring pa, harayo pa, pero harayo ka nagihap. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Have a wonderful day!
See you soon!
See you!